Tunnels are like underground highways, hidden beneath our cities and landscapes. They help us travel quickly and efficiently, cutting down commute times and easing traffic congestion on surface roads. But tunnels can also be dangerous. The confined space can turn minor incidents into major emergencies. Accidents, fires, and structural problems are some of the risks that can threaten the safety of tunnel users. Ensuring tunnel safety is crucial for everyone. Regular inspections and maintenance are essential to prevent disasters. Traditional tunnel safety measures often rely on human observation and manual checks. This can be slow and prone to errors, as humans can miss subtle signs of potential issues. We need a smarter solution to enhance safety and efficiency. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is revolutionizing tunnel safety. AI systems can monitor conditions in real time and detect anomalies instantly. With AI, tunnels are becoming safer than ever before, ensuring a secure journey for all who pass through them. AI acts as a vigilant guardian inside tunnels, constantly monitoring every aspect to ensure safety and efficiency. AI systems use advanced sensors to detect hazards in real time, providing an extra layer of security. These sensors collect data on various factors. These factors include visibility, which is crucial for safe passage. They also monitor temperature and smoke levels, ensuring that any anomalies are quickly identified. The AI analyzes this data instantly, making split-second decisions to maintain safety. It can identify potential dangers like fires or gas leaks, which could be catastrophic if not detected early. This early detection allows for prompt responses, preventing major incidents and ensuring the safety of everyone in the tunnel. With AI at the helm, tunnel safety management has reached new heights, providing peace of mind for all who pass through. AI not only detects immediate hazards, but also monitors the tunnel's health. Sensors embedded within the tunnel's structure track its condition. They can detect tiny cracks or shifts that might indicate future problems. The AI analyzes this structural data. It can predict potential issues before they become serious. This allows